Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka written examination nakabenta ka jing Thungkam ha katanat Pulit ka jela kan salong ha ubna Jymmang arajar arpsan. Ya kanila pentip daw sembut menteri rangba ka jela. Uba kmi ya katanat kampo yeng uba Preston Tensong hadien ka jingsong jelang bat ka Director General of Police kentopru bat kiwe ki he officer Pulit ban ya keren sani halor kani kakam.
Know exactly what is the status of the recruitment process, because right now it is going on. So that is number one. And then yes, other issues also we discussed. Well, I think by next month, in the month of May, the exam will again sit throughout the state. They will conduct the exam because PET exam is completed, and then now they will go for the written exam, and thereafter the personal interview again will be in place.